3 exercises that'll help decrease pain and tension in the neck and shoulders that you can do at your desk. First exercise is chest openers and closers. So with this exercise, we are not only bending the neck, but we're bending the thoracic spine. You're going to get a little bit of low back bending in this, but it's mainly from the mid back up to the neck. And then the second part of it, when you open, you're going to be extending, or you're going to have a little bit of a backward bend happening in the mid back and in the neck. So we're working the spine in the sagittal plane with this, and it should feel really nice, especially when you're opening up the chest, because that's something that we don't often do while we're sitting working at our desks. Number 2, a seated lat stretch. So I'm talking about the latissimus dorsi muscle, which is a huge muscle that spans most of the back. And with this, we are stretching the body in a frontal plane. And we're going to want to have our arms up overhead while we do this. We're going to be side bending. And I would even challenge you to use one hand to pull on one of your wrists to get a little bit of an extra intense stretch. Of course, pulling to a degree that's comfortable for you and your body. Number 3 is seated twists. So far we've worked the spine and our muscles in the sagittal plane, we've stretched them in the frontal plane, and we're rounding things out by finishing up with a good stretch in the transverse plane, which involves rotation. And I would just encourage you, when you do twist in either direction, I would take a big breath in before you twist and exhale as you're twisting, using the chair, whether it be the back of the chair or an armrest, to give yourself a little bit of extra overpressure. Sometimes that just really feels nice if you've been seated for a long time. All right, so try these out. Let me know if they work. My name's Dr. Karen Thomas. I help frontline professionals overcome pain and stay serving. And if you found this helpful, follow me or subscribe.